Okay, now I'll take a look down line towards the street. Oh, we got an offset there. That's a pretty big offset. I wonder if my camera's going to go through there. It is a waterfall offset, so that's a good thing. This one here is a dam offset, so it'll hold paper. I don't know if you want to dig that up and fix those. Put some no hub clamps on there instead of Ferncos. That way you won't have those offset joints. I'm going to call that out. Because I think that dam, if it was two waterfalls, that'd be one thing. But you got a waterfall on the front end, and on the back end, you got a dam. So that dam is going to stop paper and waste and accumulate waste and have a problem, create a blockage. I dig that up and put a no hub clamp on the down line side of the repair. That way you ensure a nice even transition from one pipe to the other. And if there's a waterfall in the front one, which is usually the case, there's the dam that's going to hold paper. And this one here is the waterfall. And, you know, it's not ideal, but at least it's a waterfall, not a dam.